How to turn on two-factor authentication on Temu.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to turn on the two-factor authentication on Temu.com in just a few simple steps. So, first of all, open up a web browser and type in Temu.com in the URL box. Make sure that you're logged into your Temu.com homepage, and once you're logged in using your credentials, the next thing to do is to go ahead and mouse over to Orders and Accounts tab at the top right and then click on Account Security. Inside the Account Security tab, scroll down and look for Two-Factor Authentication. Click on the Turn On button right next to it. Now you have two different options you can use the Two-Factor Authentication with. You can choose to use phone number or Authenticator app. Select any one. I'm using the phone number option. After making your selection, click Continue. Now, go ahead and enter your phone number in the text box if you haven't yet and click on Submit. On the next page, enter the two-factor authentication code sent to you via SMS on the provided phone number. Write it down in the text box correctly and you'll then be able to enable two-factor authentication on Temu. Once you've enabled two-factor authentication, this will add an extra layer of security to your Temu account. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.